That papa no, he has never been serious, you see.
Abusian for who say woman no day, woman day, papa. Abusian, I hear the deputy communication for the NPPIFN Jennifer Quinn. Eko share more wound to me TV. Abusian, Mahama started crying as soon as Manu wetna say ewo ne city so say obekasa. Na Manu wechirema Mahama Adikan ama manfo adidi asante hene atem aka de omom de ensenem fata e de ati asante hene ena Jesus wasan da na chi na ni aba asante mamu se oni otumfo bekasa na according to no ensema asa otumfo aka e de afa Mahama ho no mi awtia wa ankasa be de ebe hawo na ya se Mahama ankasa nim se bra oko IMF se nye otumfo na de nsa ekoshe ni aba mi mu a nka papa IMF fo kura nkomo mu ano enam his incompetency odi yese enuma da yetene woni wura no enti yenko ne nkonko tie Jennifer the Queen abela no di nsem wo nyina etudwa e wuntumi TV and Yuntumi FM so makraw
be me na nwa wakasa nkomo no bo di no kokom ene bo won so di ni badwam na ma me mo maba so titiri pa to me was the elections mirror right me hwe mo fira ahomache 12 na mabomu a bedru sabre nyina se mo say e was say Jomama odi tuntu o hwa dada but elections time Jomama elections time so man ni ben mo kasa fidie ko 24 hour na they can't even explain it no 24 hour na mo when you start politics and I do 12 I watch you guys till time here today. They say me have me free and me come before for. Me call radio station. I'm cast and betro no one be smechi. Monya. One would me.
Jomama ba elembele. On we jira platform so a all kasa man from to Abama NDC. Now what the ohene be se edu. Say oba investigation. Na
Odana na bi ohine ba interview na bi no aso ba obachi na bi ne ohine ba tun
na me tiesa na adana mu say John Jaman mama onya serious o
da papa no has never been serious you see
when your platform elembele kadientia yentu abama no wo say oba obi asem a waka na wo ba ye
nipa no waka na last year ka kire mu say the number one policy o won say oba o why no lodina wo wanchi o ma anya ho ni mu da 22.5 out of
seriously
obi journalist or no ten kasa fidie so oye na dwuma no na ade no be target on wa bon na sama ya na meka ne bi no so kasa ndisi fo bon tiwi o ma bon ye kasa ma wo de wa wo ya ndisi ni a wo so ye stop bon bra me page ya me streaming live o de bra o baba beto me wo mu de me kire bra na me nchia mo atema ya ade ni mo be ye Ghana man ya na maye no wo ne Koku Dawuro ne the tallest man Godon ne tintin nyina ni Godoni.
And we can the shortest man.
The tallest man only.
Taller you be or
and then me what you see on the opposite side only. Godoni jira me nchen.
I know never as well.
What about? What me nada from team.
Oh that's it.
Me na masema ya de mo be ye Ghana man ya Santamaya na maye no. Na machia obi ewie na machia ye flag bearer. Second lady wo kuro no na yeshia. On say peace from say way enra. Our Pempa Assembly Hall. The free Kumasi Ahema for Santamaya. Ahema for be kwa Ahema by. You so Ahema by. Ahema for more Kumasi and outside Kumasi na were there. The room was full. Market women. Sena ye bonada the film my job would have betnasi almost 3 hours. Na sa time second lady nam PZ ebe far Kideti Dubai ho asana modern ba wona wo say coordinators ye hwechiri na ye man ye matutu ye no ba see am no kasa no hwani free so ko ha ye ni kire tafo no ne so am no ne ade also kuma ba ye adwuma ma menkire wade oba bia ma mfafutu ma oba na se ba ma bia si so na wo fo ba nye dwuma ma ne lodi na de ni bi mto wo for ba or supportive oba wo fa ba ma o supportive nye de obedi usika ko nye de oni nyansa oni adwene bi o de be ka wo nim dia wo no ho wo be twa san ye ma me Samira wa ye bi wa kire se wo ba fitibe ye mfa ne se mfie bienu ni a ye de Dr. Bawumia be campaign hye so no ma me na bo kunu chidom wata na chi okuna ba ye adwuma ko ye bedi na wo twa ka ye bedi na wo twie no a me ko 2 days na msa ba ntime ba me ko be 2 weeks anesa ye ko ye ne ye na wo twie no ko ye adana ye ko wu ko adana nyimre no no bai na obeye 3 days no ba Friday You say your babesne Dr. Baumia Bama Yoko Jabbing, any agogo, and no penanaka, agogo, be a STEM junior high school, any agogo, era Loyandi ho. Yeah. You win and a dear chain run a mamma Kuma. Etidia Baba you Kunan and Wayanon, when will be my come skank or shabby, Mamma Disico, Mamma Tiacoma, but your gun of flow, but Magana could jump and pencil, and I say I launch e-gate, through, at least keep on. A hodam tafa and I'm here what do passport now check in via you just go through a friend say
just like that
adiana ya and one no tia say we am go to kwate yemi na wahunu de making we do Heathrow and say Schiphol Amsterdam airport we do wa me abema and we here say opa ba ko delay so uti opa ba ko de bia na na do so oye friend say uko e-gate oye check in and one say you just go through na side say you be say e-gate no one say say paper nkiti green bia ne ma me no mo ba migration officer be fele ama na no 20 euro bia so one say you say paper na from mo be land e be ka 30 minutes am mo land na friend say pin mu abofo no cheche ma mo say mo fele ansa na mo si from say be ya wusi a won waste time so be ka ya wo kon so abe fele say na wo ko abe fele last year mo ye year no afiri ye say the e-gate no so ayede aba ye na Ghana man se bra Ghana man tie yasem upon we say there be my Ghana kokoduru ye ma starting free 2017 me medi 2000 election search 2004 and I offer say ochina that na offer say nya 20 years old me ban okay to ochina is it say all level 200 say me ba invest you
okay
me ho na efe ochina no nya 20 sa akola no na me won December 5th 6th na me police station executive for Swami unim say Bishop Sapon school
yeah
me jana wo me ma hospital ho na me won me jana no ma 2 days me be elections ya de weni ya de so nukunu ko fia ma me da ho woni bebi ne da wa no te de teten eba sa akola no be nya 20 or 20 me ma witness 2000 elections 2004 2008 2012 2016 2020 and then 2024
I see
7 elections my witness to na me had my next year my 27 years in politics so ma kobi kakra wo ma communicating next year 15 years it years what man no see before ebeka 2 days my sister Penny in London of me Salina Jenny na ekosa nam se kontrato yem eduru sabia wo minim so onya course bi abuche for the flower o mo so gudem
na wo de mo
chese mo na frefre me no o so gudem anya se ka kire mo so mo koma kontrato yem ade ba ko wo MPP ya daga na man ase ne se abu ya ye adwuma ya ye campaign to say ye nyi bida the entire say elections am witness kire wo campaign we campaign ya mampani kofo atwi ne car ene de NDC fo nko na sebe obi ya ne nan say me nan ya me ya no say ne nyina no ye nya nipa wo so ti ase mampani kofo akogina simpie so a wo ye campaign because woni mo pepa e wo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wo huso anye wa make wrong choice time wo de ne ba manyo sem wontumi but what the make na eti ya ye campaign na Ghana flag ye nsama to woni ma de NDC fo ye oni de enti aba busu me ne o megu kurom a omo ye wa ha na o maba no ma be si akire so ba ye rally wa ha kwase da na ye nam dwapin ye nam sabi nkronki to ma ye campaign nam dwapin ye fa dwapin ye kro kitwa ma sem chese ye nam ye nkronki to ma ye
outside Kumasi
no ba wasro ni pefri wanchi wasro
abaswase
bro region bro east region wasro ni pefri north wasese ni pefri nknakwam e de o ma ba aswase wa nya sante before timamufo wo kro yi mu sante
to mbe so mhusu obi aba
sample say ye ba ye nipa naturally voluntarily and nkofo furo mu pembedi MPP achi because ya bo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia di chairman wontumi wo mo benti no nkofo furo ma fiefiem ye kasa nipa gina bo sanso no mutie ye o ba cho utie because o sifo mu nya ba bi nyina ete o so obo nipa no e free other regions na don ba asantema be hunu na mo akasa mo NDC fo mo mutiri mu ya mo dese mo di nipa ba asantemam na nkofo frame e ya kwa ne nkofo puli di nipa. The question is what to for beside you see.
Aye.
Idi asem kokomo en fama trouble ntime me de hye. Idi asem kokomo en kana bonten. Na mo me ogidi se futu a opem so de ma no be fa.
No de aye adwo.
Ko jira ohina nima ko di ntro se atembidi omudidi na se tu atembidi omudi wo. atamdidi edi man pele
Kevin Taylor asem o se enye onum ho hwe
o se onim ho hwe because your campaign wo bu nu egu na so o ti bi da
John Mahama se wonya wo se Kevin Taylor di Asante Martin
Asante ayo man on its own Asante your man wako gina ni popro hin kase ese yanim etimi ahwanyame no mu di ntro on se wo di ntro no firi ne nkora bremu anu obi anyini etipani to no otwa ntro akire no kora wo hunu na so penso aturufu bi so fa ebeboa no so amfa so ebeboa no ankasa na na wo kan se mi se o ma cheka bi ena nkrofo bi yesesame bi ma mi shi bi atuwe owura bi ti race course so atini dia no pay ohne ba interview mayor ni mayor kasa no minister kasa no pay akwabi to akotro letter wo akotse ne kiosk ma tro letter say Queen Mothers no ade atum na resec
o ma je atum say
resec say dana ye to aba na ye nhye se obi aba abonte ne beto abanti ye beto kuma so Dubai marketing which is never true and when him say when you are threat so he never tena ha e kan asam a wo ye ni program no ye se mfa no ma CID force ye on call report ma ye ru abroka ma me cha regional commander ye ru abroka ma na ha wie e bi obi am chia no office na to utie me eti we do owura ne ye na etimi create serious criminal act so to me tell
misinformation and the police for who ye
da be mo win na de o mate dis obi report enti me catch me yo so mo ntu ho na mo sabe nyam na me kire mo de o monye ontimi ntina dem hwa abato
o mo yes ana ma na ebu
abato in your own volution kofotie friends or principles or policies and niam a opesa wo ye de mre bi atwa mo ba ka so be a wo ye ne ba bia beduru opesa wo bo wo niam a wa ye ho ban no makwakoto aba ma Ghana for Santamaya Nidia, Titrum so Wakoto Aban. I cut 3 days into you see what I want the audio be up and upon him a boy. Oh, media, you see. Yes, or Santamaya did me. There be no audio number. Canada did the same video now. So what say over Buamia, Bomame. Now, me the Kevin Taylor and some video now, man, Bomame. You see. Edu maybe a Jennifer aya na krona yetimu no semperifo bi dika na omuntimi ntuni pa bi omdu omachifo and this na omuta na saa don't aya esabone aya na djuma na aya na esi eja radio djuma no we need to educate people sedu issue bi si na onipa bi di akire se me obi di machi akasa ma me na oya de a amanfo complain egumu fia ese me fie nipa no na me tunu fo se de wo ye emwa Kevin Taylor tra obi anim no se wo so oya adwuma ma John Jaman mama ana amane abone pa do mama record ase ni skama brante no abrochire ho na nim kom ha na wo kwadina mansia na ye kase kache nkwada no so omnya tambi a wo so ye innocent Jesus ho no so innocent do mama so innocent I know ye yes sir it is to yen advantage
enye to yen advantage
meba
asase mo kache panimu no sa ade na odi atro
senti na me trust no won se be di mpanimfo ko me so wo hena to no fo so fa
enti obeti
o da bon dia so brache enti wonti ni pa ya so brache ya so de okurenkure na so de na me so wonti
na number 2 the video ni awura de na de to mama
na mom dia tie ni bra ma me nkyere wade NPP and NDC there's a clear difference between the two political parties. Political party ba ko say me de me ba me de o man ba ko gina pempen so bi say gradually o man adane digitalized countries say wunim BB electronics BB na to them wasani ska mobile money interoperability me kind the last time I went to bank just say be am kwakọ me checkbook waka and am kwakọ me credit card and say be me card whatsapp na kwakọ kan and o ska on mobile phone so to me to bank you say iska through bank and o card you say tua ye de sa niam we nyina ye dey aba na so ye lipa da sani to won na sa niam we nyina ye su kire mo say enye bibia ntini ye pese ye besa atena so biem na mo de me ye pese ye atena so ye pese ye posa niam ni nyina ho ban ma me mfa ko ba kakra NDC the $260 million in the circle interchange o ya we circle interchange nko ye ba ko wo mo si wie ne di bo so me se ne kum nipa 383 say ni na anu nansa eja ne to mu ne nsuo ni yiri fast no say there were no sewage no say if there were proper sewage system ye wie na omo kwa correct na MC biem kakra but as at the time omo wie ye na the $260 million tie the year and what the 6 circle Dubai because na there was no proper sewage system until so ni yiri ye no e kum over 383 me pacho $260 million abi kum nipa the same amount no ye the $283 million as 4 interchanges Tamale Obetibi Lamte Flowerport Pokuase ye wie kuma se ye nwie nti na man fa nka ho but what ba say sika kro na ono de si ba ko pe kum nipa no ye de si 9 ama nkofo benefit ne si interchange wo e friend say Flaport ye wie ya na NDC branch women organizer who the table akoso say me talk be
o say ho da no wete dada na mo ye ntima ya wie lia
o ba na ye tie nti woni contractor ni dia no say mo wi am saba betena mo mboa woni contractor ne kase say
me integrator Accra regional minister no na
no nonsense person
yeah what the full say the bottom ground o bono gambo
pa cho no dia o betimi abobọ no trouser na kwa bibia possible ma no dia don't joke with him titles dey won dia bitire no but bro ma kan nyina nkonko si say yan sama ye catch your mind Ghana nye bibia nti o you starting want to break the 8 no na nye ya no fafa if you work towards it
yep
ya ye ho adwuma free SHS na wo hu ne sa no one time bia akola bia ho ka yesay sa almost 19,000 enkola no so mo komu miensa 4 months miensa for academic year meboa 81 time bia yesay enye almost 19,000 times one academic year times 4 years plus now the other times enkola 5.7 why you confused kaka na breaking it down biem akola ba ku bia aban MPP aban bo no hoka almost 19,000 oko school no prince afi ti 19,000 miensa yesay untimi nkamo now the sa 1 year another time so oko no sa 4 years sa 4 years ni ye the says kana hwenkwala 5.7 million from 2017 to 2023 2024 the mayo ye for 2024 the count but 2024 can be 6.something million Ghana say 6.something million people and kwala ya from Ghana and you are saying say ye nyama sa policy abeboa including NDC for benefit ye nyama no kokwa na nka mba ha nka meka say NDC for nko salary do mama mutabawa sa mana di
bitrisa nan
na nka masala be jama jeni mama t-shirt
osikani si onim no se na mfiamfia se
makoka mu you can say architect in the two hole asa bompon aka
na evidence say that guy
school say me a lawyer
bitrisa nan a lawyer
and come buy ye why lawyer ka ye buy ye ko be salary wa ha jeni mama t-shirt na nka mama producer ko nti ka de omo ya no say me kasa no na Akufo-Addo Dr. Bawumia Jennifer Queen ma bom some sa say 2 hours ne be we program mo dia na say kan dis for mo bom some ko ni bad kontia mo ye beneficiary of free SHS oh my God na ya bi o and it na about na class ye hu say ye hwe ma sa dwumade we enkokwa wo ba santemam ha ye de odo na ware wudum sa the sent bi a oba ware no kita ma mienu oba ni kunu so wo ma miense bi na yire firima na so oja ware sa nkora num ni timi nyine boso we school bo mo ya wo sankura num ni nyina so kunu no be say almost 30 something thousand nkura num no per year be ma so beton ro bedwane agya na mboa etimi ka fa aban bi baaye aban bi enu wa ba kopim sa friend say 8th republic dey wo mboa fourth republic dey we ayo 8th parliament right fourth republic aban bi no ba wasani pala say na mom ska mo fanto botom ye nya bi da except NPP ask me why sikana na card be tua school fees no sa 18,000 sikana card be tua school fees no aban ne se fatu botom fabo ba na no ho ba fabo na konhoma no mfa nya dwuma no nya skanto and then the prospectus no ba wuti dede placement wuti dede babe you ready to this year placement o placement hu nkwala do a be placement mo uti dede wo ho babe na teacher ni headmaster what anya fast work obe na headmistress na ni patron no obo no do niam kia ayi kai e wa akoma dan bi kia cadet bi no do niam ya de kokroma kwakoton just because the new patriotic party aban e the free SHS aba enti no ya nya de bi mu aban na nim ase yanka omo hwe no mo ni choice and so magiato se ye hwe ye ko rally na ho ye on said Dr. Bawumia ba ne ye ne ma mienu ye will stakeholders ayeshia hemfo imams zongo chiefs yenuan ye fa ne ye papa no sebo mo mu nsa ye hia obi a wodam ye no makasa no mo do makoma so asema to ye ne ye wi ya ba be ye community connect na ya na ni pe bu fa so no ena ya na wo hu se ni pa ye ma wo ho no ne ya da ye num nsema dia ye da dia kyerem bra so her first second row no na to di we kyerese free SHS for nkwala nko a 2024 ni rally a covid ninti na hu nkwala no wabonten na hu free SHS for nkwala abonten na wo ba ta te wo kwa aware ye wukunu wo ma nkwala na wie na wo university ni nyina mu yesi nyame adwa next year kwala wo university a wo Ghana card a wo hia guarantor free loan ko na wankasa kodi akagina mu sese no so kwasa wie school no krampo na service no ye be ye nhyehyeye ye be ye voluntary wo pa no aye dey waye ni nyina wo ho a ye be sa ne ma wo nyina no obi no aba se na ma nkokobuo mama nkokoma nkete mpa che oni dim ye mfa nsa ha wo ye fiewura wo dem ha mimi na me fiewura na wo abu be han dan wo wo ba so nkokobuo ha na dem ase dwoma ma na dem me okay but ase wo de be se he because me kompa ha dem ma mfa sabi nkokodue tia no lesi ma me ye menka nwie na wo sere no me ma mfa nkokodue me dori fia ha na nkokɔ agya nan aba beti fia na mfia aba bɔ ne ba
asam na wa nwene ho menye so do beta
aba bɔ o se ka fiewura se de dwoma ma na dem ma no se me mfa nkɔbɔ me ho branti bi de be si me dem de di nka wo de nkɔbɔ ni si dem a aside se be mo na janan etu hwian amo obeyare no nkokodwe ba hwo no yida ba ma nkokodwe ba hwo ba ma bi ho pa ma woni bre no wi an kokko na nyine fe no sa da na do no yida dan kokko man de fifi ba de staff no ma to man te class o de fifi because o me so san kokko tie wi an so ha o to kokko man nyine na to nkosua ne wie na o mo ye mo hwe a na ka buo ni si ho ne fiewura ne to no wo hwe wo ebuo ni si ho wo to obuo na do nsa si udam ni fe mpa to woni fiadie mesre woni die wo se ade ase afete esama atoburudo da se ase didi bayere didi banche ene didi dokuno de wenam anaboa to mama say na mama sam kakra bi kuma bi na mama ji kuma bi na ade akotoburudo wo se ye twiburudo wo bo so and this is a policy of person de bawo na wanya ndisi ni wa so mo kales huhu no no de nam ene yes policy ene yes kirekirem me mani bi ye Tesco no wo comfort no mo ye campaign wo su na kora ne ye me bagel ne ye rezi ye audio man e no smama e no na ndisi ni ba e zu mo so say ya azan no mo so kebra ba kire policy ni utimi kire ma ye be ma vote e di wachi akoy so su no de seguridity a wo so wo video no be enough yes won cheche 24 hours mo bu nkotodwe na wo abu hwe se de wo sia fa ho a wo to na yire ni producer oba fefe na ma da na bi no nya ne me o yire se me dofo me kwa dwuma abade adwuma na akwase me komaja taduana na akwa ababa wo yire ni obedi ano sadaka no se de wo wa no ye nto da katente ana ye nto tietia na yabu na because so komaja taduana ya wo nsa ama wo kwa ko fidi jata hwa wo fefefo wo tu se no tie wo tu se no wa no
na we ba cho tie mi kaka obi se ba cho tie no say my name is Black Apostle. What's the meaning of a zoo eza? ZU means zero utilization. Zero utilization. ZA means zero achievement for NDC. Fantastic. So NDC can say a zoo, a ZA. Zero utilization, zero achievement of NDC. What do cross say? What is the meaning of Bawumia? B stand for brain. I don't know we are Messenger my Dr. Bawumia. I think say you will love it. Brain means B stands for brain. X stand for achiever. W stand for width. U stand for unassuming. M stand for mind. I stand for in. And A stand for Africa. So brain, achiever, with unassuming mind in Africa. That is called Bawumia. Black. Black Apostle. The Odiama me and the and no. Na Jenny, maisha abano aka 3 days na yeto abano. Issues bebre awon fo mo se me ncha ma odie me gasa me kenka bia na mampone to the Jennifer so odamase 3 days to elections. Jenny amanfo ase o minya he ababa ye na unche san komo ni bi
atiatra na na bisa se be me na na so ma ye na apiso nya
so amanfo ase o munya he I want you to speak to them sa afo no a minya he fo no
unya bibia bia na wakwan ye
okay
okay understandable unya bibia bia na abatifi e na ye wadwen so mo a banko free SHS etu unya hwe kra no ya ye wakwan e na ye mo trouble ye nti Ghana ha bemena e na so ma ye koko roso adenta but adenta de koko bi nse we be fifi adenta proper e won crime bi fi wunim so ya adenta wa ye koko roso ho but we need ye nti kroma santemem nya 2020 ya no be ka kire se so wa ya de bi nsi da Kumasi International Airport nya de ya no Pempe International Airport old one what the kitchen toilet bowl on board blue na boys no fagers on curtains na atete kwa wunu no the tusha na IFM what the bia she from Beje Ghana for $27 million we no de nyungu trailer so we gina so yes no ye nti obia Santa from this ka akokra tata from mama nto aba menyo no a oni ani wu de mama ni ani wotimi sa nya akokuduro ba ne yete ha ti o yete ha na ateke okuje to abra kwa yiri abetna ene watwe so no fi ne krom no abetna ha ti o baba betna ha no be ka de asantema ye nye bebe na wutie ana wuziri me yes serious business why you doing this abu oti for na twen o
se me ji na de o de
o free the process in the
Northtown
afi Northtown abase yesre ho wakanyira ye nye na nanu yehwe mo wabetira santemam
untumi
1.3 bra na tia sama atwoma friend say we wa be jahene no ka kire ne de simple no say him be okoyen o tia sama ahemfo ne ka kire no wo se nyina hia kwan nyina yaye nyina hia kwan krom inside yaye ba bi ya tabri nya hini
boxer de ma
brani mu no bi de nya dia mi bo obi adi ya tabri de ma brani mu no na MPP aban ba ye be di e kire de ma abrofuru so omomeye no esomfa so ye de sisi school sadan ye de sisi market ye de yi akwan amenne surrounding towns na benefit from dumadi ye di ye no so ye tabri de ma ba akofo se ba akofo didi ye no free Northtown aba se sa de so yiri fa omo anya na do de ko bi e dam no ma so yi fa omo wo free media for free CSOs free abrofo wo bo so ja kan sa finish nya kasa papa bi anya nsa wo disturb nipa master take wo na no me talking cricket so tell radio so my sister say she ma ko wo ko elections wo mfante wo je ho betra santemam wo be ka statistics abaye me ba to ha nto se ne boy yesa ne yeton no santemam t-shirt yesa ne ato ne yakue baby be ka statistics na
omu be ka na yesa agina to aba mo wana
na inflation ko ha inflation ko say asmo ka kwa wonti e wa na host you could see from me say why confusion so rat to boss asmo ka na me jo santemam aha no to se ne boy yesa ba nche no boy friend say kai no de niama na ba aha kura kana power no de niama na ba bet na radio so no patutu ahomache asori akotena radio so say friend say na inflation o mo buy no of course yes ya bobisia
yeah
mama kasa se mo correct no wa ha ya bobisia pa ba me na Ghana man MPP aban ya bobisia na mo bosia na ya bo ne enie enkofo osu akwan ene yen kawrade so no kore constituency bay district bay municipal bay na obefa mantam akwan yenye enya santeman kwampacho of course ye gitu
no ya yebi
afre na nyankopɔ duru ho a awurade apagya ne nsa from roundabout interchange ye eyo mani mun sam to
no ma say any budget bia mo mu ni mo ba
as what bontia
o say omuni ba bia ba no
budget bia ya
de sa kwa e sa interchange nti oba anya de obeto aso nti mo suame ho ne ko no mo fa
asinye on to aso obese no
aji e ka cha mo say this the time that you vote for Dr. Bom nya sa de
exactly ho nan ka
ka
utie ebekam sanki edi machi a mango ase driver sika maka ma ke ya che no kodem woman kontia ye ba o start pokuasi interchange wo di so go ba from say kwe ye ba sika we edi be yakwa na sika ni ho na wasa ban no sa kokopɛ sika eba ne de be ye sika ye kopɛ ye de be ye pokuase kwan no ye wie no ya ye expansion ye kopom wo nsawom ya ye sa adwuma we nyina ene so am wonim de ti a wokasa no na omo anwene ho dasa so am kwan ne ye be start wo man ka bia nsemu da
so mo ka senta ti
mi apa bridge ne obukum ni po man ka bia nsemu da ti na ko mo boa no na tekiwo wati akonyo asakwa fofra ya wo no kwa ketati akonyam ena da tata inflation ne cost inflation ne boya den na na ne ye de $1 ye fa $1 ko do 4.7 wo fa $1 free ko fo abren so president ko fo abren so e de ko 4.7 4.8 no mo free power sana dollar ko 7 cedis me pato wo mutimi nkwala sana mutimi di wo ko school okudete no ba ye e disturb ni pa no wo ka kire ye sata no deputy minister in charge of treasury. So we see 260 schools. They gave us 33 schools. So 33 schools from here in E-blocks, no. And then the expansion, they have friends dormitories, and they friends classrooms,
association,
and they dining halls, association, and ne. Ama double track a swati no. And a double track a new work as you. Mami chawadi. And this for me, I know they suffer hypocrisy, but sometimes komumra bonte na komeka no koreka ebi anka Ghana fo be hu mo na me say atoro madie si ate krom ha erikopoku uka evangelist na no preach wo krom erikopoku udoko tie udoko mo address na koko ye 4.7 na ye 380 something and I'm the ball 4.7 sir aban bia ba 475 oba na wa 800 and something 100 koko boto bako etine wo be gina ba ka kire se koko fo wo de na otu koko na wo bose wo kro ye member of parliament we asisika nyina wanya bie no wo ti koko na wo bose ti se kua ni mo bro bi o ti ba bia na na dan koko fo do se ma to koko no mu wo to wie na wo si wo dan wo si obusu afie wo si dan na o ye no ma agumo a wo betimi ato cement ne boa ye den sa de kra betimi ato na de si dan because ma fa oba ne ho ka na ye mpa we ni apede na it will take wo ku the top black free north town abetna e be kisi glass be disturb nipa wo na abetna asantemas ye nto aba ma we enwanwa mebo na ono friend say no ye deputy minister your saka ndo yi ketwa yi oko central region ho ba bi anam refili di young guy bisa wo betna sompa and inflation na cost them so we won say one am free producer am say abo ama dia krache ne kakache so wa santema mu banche no mo dia bo ba yegu race course banche no wo ho ye first way na ba dwuma ye di ni krom ha no na woni me sabe so mo ye nyina no ade koto aba no obi enu wo ka inflation asemu we yo bi akwa nya ba bia kan inflation asem so be kan inflation ukọ nkrofo no na no gudam na odi ntra no di santo na chen asantema ye ni ate e na no hu de sie don for ma ne bo no mo atwetwe ska no ma high speaker na dia ye we no ni about Baumia on Baumia Naban, near only one call. They are appreciating or more appreciating MPP. Now, they don't form a cassa. Was it any more yebi? Nana don't cook for the to say, sorry. You was a day, the man else won't could be a muntia, just that man about. And we met, and we say, young Kenya must so cray. Said Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Nana Jina Simpius no Cassa was singing Manyak MPP and Yakan de Ghana for the Yaman Penia and from Phobia in the corruption and Tansabia Yam Famoneda. A year first in the history of Yaman or some and a sitting vice president, which is John Dramani Mama, former president. A committee was set for him where baby are not Matiamidu. You were Matiamidu, yeah, committee chair. Yeah. I we have for Fianto at Mills Yan baby Koya, a bear white paper wash. The party were did you. A cocoa tea say, one of penny and a decay. Now, all know your friend say, oh, Kissima wine, SP, special prosecutor, Kissia Jabin, say, Maclan, I dare you for who my dear time, Brody. You can for the ambassador, your mamma bussy, or near government official, one day, I could see yes, play. Yes, I elections in the bay when you are better now. But I special prosecutor, and this including John Romani Mama, the attempts as a position, useless position. You would like to see that Piano or say, what the Yamama say, more than a media. Because in Sucom to be a mobile swan. None of such a concrete crackers, one man, scum the woman in Swan, to be the water. No, best or Casa acting on elections, Cocasa acting. Yeah, we are not true, we say. A woman from what you say, what that, never come and go, what do, what tell you, no, over Contoqua. There's difference between acting and real life. Yeah. V8 and go for be some more. You didn't go engine, my boy, you'll be son of some. Yeah, two about elections, elections a strategy, also a smart focus. So, but do mamma not mammy a bloody liar, a bloody whatever, mammy away, where you wait, you know, mamma, you do keeping it cool, or you know, Juma. Who could see Legon for investor of Ghana for you ever come see the Mupieto or bathroom, what stick or Koshe Bimon, some will be shan a dross watcher, or baby sabi or Bunensa, or shan a pad, the Gondomelo, no, tarry pad, and Naman, no, sending in our yet. No so mo dross ma me no so send dross we no de di o da trouble so ho mache bi kura no o trouble no so origin bi no waba o si su come de no ni won so mama ni bia no na special prosecutor to between him certificate ya no to say mache me heli dia sajira ho nsemu mama na ya to aba man no akisi ja media unim de ote akisi serious unim de ote isu so ko so kromia ya da trouble mpese me kana say unim de ote o bank ram do wetena kam si na ko kire wade no san yembe so Akofa nyo ne akwa na curtains nsa na nim na ye adwuma. Akwa no odi akwa se curtains ni bi. Akwa nkitu curtains ni bi sensa na nim. Wode ne ye adwuma no. Nyo na ye no lawyer wode. Lawyer mboa. Hunu majapade akwa na prema no ho nkran. You see mama nkyere wade. Yet ya santema mu. You ask yourself suddenly mo nyina ba ha. Aha ne consolidate ye vote ni free. Aha nko tibitra 8 regions. If I'm right.
Almost one national coalition center ba. Coalition center.
Until but over the bar, Ashanti, over the bar, then people for the year 12 years, and your say we want to assess. So, some would be there, Bashanti, and we say this is the only time I declare results. How much am I carpa? No, coalition center. I'll be there. See, it's now I'm about to perform. See about now, moon would submit a fracture, a strong year, and a number 6 and 7 in a year, Cabija constituency. About the constituency. We be ready, sir. Now will be ready. Almost says, I won't say, I'm a voter ready. Dr. Bobiamba, your campaign, and for election time, I'm on the bunch of money. Any Maggie, or my parliament tomorrow, 5,000 to 50,000. Now, who cuts the voter and say, I'm on the bunch of money. Any Maggie, is it an insult? It's total insult on the upside. What about Mama to Abama? The Mama and Cassan Cranford, your woman here, development, and one of the document. Me and Yanko, we just yes, I say, as I could have been on the campaign, started campaign. And you say, yes, Sasa, you started almost started some common some panel. Or no, talk to me in open. What that? What that? Who sent someone back coming with it? Said the Papa Ma, I didn't think I said it about no one I do. I didn't know any free Kumana do. But what yes, Mamma can you? Would you have any years for Parliament? A quite for so cut time. You throw Goka. Goka say, Mako Nasi. Minim Crow, no son, and no from Westerners. I want to find already crew. Where their crew more bass santimem. Because so free say, but I sent you my own, you rap. But don't you rap. A 2 run now, Banswa, and was also upon Mao and an animal say a dear call it, ye Debe Coalition Center, Bass Santimem. Or by ever got Jupiter, no more assassination, or mono class to you, or mono class or Bass Santimem. One body I got to know near John because we're my mamma. I'm a some winch now. That to trust seven Yamon, catch you, and no attachment to Quadro. Aye. More, so Yamaman Mumpiam Santima and attachment in Toqua. So I want to threatening. Sabana ko ya ndisi form policy ba kono no so only ni share radio so ya argument na wonu say to mama ko gina tu fo ni ka say cha de no manfo say wonim ho hwe wonu de no wonim ho hwe da na obi abo amane obi si otie ye bisa say lord na wadware ko baka so wonim ho hwe ne baboy na odi ni di na chi no na manage youth wing no bisa say friends obey ogu future fake bara from this o ka so wonim ho hwe ono oguru no oguru me no enya de ye asemo because ono we na wo onye ndisi fo na wie be me na wutie wo so wuja okrom ha ba betena ha ah ne nam krom ha no anya ba bia anya mre nto asem sa santebam say woni ndisi ni hia woni ofutu de mom say duka piano ke ka kire mo kune ne argument na ara na o ya weni ane ne nya ntokwa woni omo enti na omo ko bebrebe ne nya hwe John Dramani mama o yo mo flag bearer gina simpie so aka say omo party no were born out of violence. Omo de omo machi ni pabu for boot. Omo political party no omo de omo kontokwa people were killed for nothing. Omo political party that time. And oba besia wo man ba no fo a friends ye ku ni ye be hye na enso toye. Rehosem. Nipa e bo omo tuo epona no ku omo no omo ye dai. Na mo kura de omo ma same mo bonu adgontia. You be Ghana to a palm said the new patriotic party here, Joe my Ghana to political party, Mimra Fano. No, my Ghana, I am re, I'm your what to say, I want to grab a year. As I demo. Of course, yes. What did 29 years? Or maybe 29 years, so 27 years. So 2 years or maybe from yeah, do 16 pay. Nanado, His Excellency, now the President for 16 free 29 workers. What the whole crowd here cabe 2 more years, 2 more terms. It's yes, he did in us, so near Abrope, near starting race in Ibima. Or Momu, my gun on moon. So, no one over your monk for a car, money Piabon, so my gun a penny on moon. I will tell for a quarter butcher, begin to me, Mafia, that's only my magic on Buffy, or my gun on. When I will tell for sale, Bobo. About time, a year for 4, you was your penny for some Biado, Moonim, or we are aware, are they aware? Now you have a trouble, just a one of my mamma. Emuye yira yenim sia bare wo no mudin ko basa aye de yenim sia bare ba te bako and now my men kwa kotunaba isi my men kotunaba so wa she parachute atade ama me nche bi da wo wiase my men kotunaba ja ni we so atoma hwan e mo page bi am ko free to mo ho na me read the comment watoma ha watoma ni paymasters eti Charlotte say wa she paymaster Charlotte say the time and you lose the past 6 through my let my vote count and I comment of let my vote count Justice Ajakuma who 2019 Justice Ajakuma he lost one eye, he died without one eye because we are calling for a new register. Also we've seen it, we've read it, but we won't take it. And so still you didn't kunim.
What is that logo no? I saw it, I like it, and I take it.
And I take it. No cancer about it, all profits are not it. Bring to me one Mami where was say genuinely, Obia Metnasi, you inter-party, whatever. I pack Metnasi, says educated artist. Mami better Brema Gua Manisha kwa yema amena wolf. Obianto mo ya de to a no political parties in na pejo mo sana ka mo kwa mba radio for mo no man no bana mo ko. Sabe tafata abu sabe o mpato ni de due respect. Adwene sa adwene mo bie adwene na tere ya dibu man. Na NDC for mo so mo.
Menya sure.
It was one kasa tenase. No hwe commissioner ye ya. Woni so o kire nyambo a his excellency na danko kufu ado.
Agenda 11.
O ba bi kuro mo tere de. Ye bia ho na ye de soso ball from da na o de soso ball from no. Ni ye sie me na me da kwasi ada adwo ada ye buka no o de soso ball from. Ye ko asie bi. Ye ho aso de fe ba bi e sha asie first na ho ado awie. But o tie. E ho no ne awie o tena nyambo ade tie. O ba be bia no. Abu. Papa de ba be bia no tena. Last week Monday I had a term ne ba ko no ba ye no ye be a drop on so government hospital ye be a subramu ye ko be a twede e wo me constituency me constituency say ye ya no ye be a so before ye ko be atafoa bridge ne kum nipa bebrebe ye say atafoa bridge agu nipa say na we since ya ne nan ni num
and this voice hu hia
say hu hia mo ya mfa nka banku entwuma ko mo man ko se ngura man ko pega na de ma election do ma ka bro fufu ma ye man flem bring boss bro fufu bro for tantan o ma ran kanti no ba ka tro say bridge no so hia bridge na ma me for fa so akodi dwanya sika gu omubotom bridge na ebua edi nkrofa mo makọ o mafiefiem eto mo aka so mo ko campaign so mo tuka no owura adwuma medi no owura ya wo ba odimachi o mo tuka no mo nam Ghana akwan so mo kwa aya na mo ni mu sakare nam so show na ka asiri twam kwa dondromani mama ya won sini trase wo kai say ya to about 2016 na amanfi east and amanfi west na kwan na nye so ba kai ya whenever we am catching another say another ani nyenti
ya Ghana kwan nyina
o ya Ghana kwan nyina another ani nyenti wonye enu obi aba ya kwan wenya honya akukuduro etna woni made be omoye strategy bi omofae 3 months ago no fa omoye yensan fa galamse ntum ye fa galamse nsamum na CSO sorry organized labor sorry glossack for sorry na grat whatever owura ya okisi nkura for max ye friend simple
okisi nkura for max
yo
olegona
ya akwa no de ketin ase na nim kokoye no okoye investigation ochini omo friend se mebo ndi jump woteka mu a mama na apo woteka mu se ya no Instagram page ojo mama waya sa na yema ni ska do cobraise no otota ma ho de ne sa na ma ho oba fa na dwunum sa oba na okana dwene no afa na wadi free obi anya
na mo
sorry say omo ye organized labor omo ye nagrat omo ye nat omo ye whatever omo stop omo be yen sese yama wo no no pese omo ye no pese omo dum yeja kum ye spirit ayenti bi fanya campaign ana dan ko kufa de nyankopɔ bo nyansa kin Solomon kin David mu yi bi no yi bi
ede ma na
ba unya no yi bi de ma wo mo enti nyansa fo mo ye ne etwa ha no yade hwɛ abu nyansa fo mo ye ne etie ye ne etie wo de ma ndisi ni be gira so be hu ya nyansa fo ne ehia ha no eti asem ba ye wo se ne cans ye wasem no point be ba bi ye dai ye sie me patwa de diemo so nam kwa so wo kona ka ne gye hwew no wo kwa aya won siri taka
na no ka asem me bu fui pa
angu de be fu asem ye baka bia be fu
okovota region na na kufuado waso ya satam gwade lu 13 wa 12,000 kilometers of roads na kwade wo he ana me kacha so mun kan se e wo wiem
eni wiem edenachi
she unse eni
abukwani
Jennifer ade ba ko eye wo wiase Bible kura kan se enipa unim papa yokura wa anya Bible se eye bone na wa faka akovota region wonam kwan adu hohoi e kwan ayaye na wa chira obusa se 12,000 kilometers of roads na whatever. Can you do this?
Tansa bono mamenchira wa de kuruntia. what the opponent
yanka crowd Ghana
opponent in elections opponent no at the 100 bus electric buses aba and so was my factory so 100 they are in operation their operation a year adwuma and for the year adwuma tio no say they play kwan ya no kokokwa ho wi a train be free wa babuankra ye containers ni nyama ye nyina be fa no so ma ne nsatie and this for bounty we
say me try me tell go for we
train bus train nyina de containers ni nyina mali for Burkina for mo say yakwan e di train di nyina ba ye wie ni enwie ye wie say ayi gate am e na wo kwabro kire wo kwabro kire to mama wo kwabro kire see ade wo be fa VIP so be fa normal entrance wo duru ha wo do wo passport na details bi bia ba wo duru ha wo say na o say no I say na smile bu afodu anim na smile wo wura na akọ fupre na akọ yu ani wo be ka kwan yasam ye ka kwan yasam wo ba be ka kwan yasam ni ate ha wo ma ya no na me ka kire no ku je to be tena say ehwetega kwan na kan ya kekeke obetena ha na watwu so so ama na otumi kisi glass be ma ntie me ni nsa no pato ni di se ka fam ye warning ti me ni nsa na
kisi glass as I say
first no ne ka so no be ka ma to waka won ba power so be sisi school shop na so atwu na wo ye vice president ma no wo vice president chair candidate no ye year 2020 odu ko mo firi bi breman odu no ko mo sa viet of aya na mi ni saka ni mo se bie na pampam odu no yesi aponche nkraman boys nine no mudi na chi omba wo si forma wo se ka ne kosuro a boys ni yete no maso etimi ti obi kura hwe na Hawaii ponche ne nkraman gina bonte no ye no mo yezu ponche de me eyaza o mo de me ye year 2024 sa ko ne krom enka wo hu ma me ne mo bokura o sa ye he ye ne wo hu ne kase ne nam do hwehwe nkofo makogu ke kan ko foma kogu ko makola mo se kan ya mo de ankra mo so mo ne ye ankra mo so mo bebitie
yate
here do mo ni tenya bi kura sa to ko bo sese te say ya that ya te so ya adwuma wo kanesia no ma ba ntwam anu ba ntwam na nim so ho yo mo hia wo nwan shetin se na bo ni paw to ba kan no de ahyem share the New Patriotic Party.
Okay.
There will be a friend TNT, training of the trainers. Call Kahon, Mekano, that you training will be playing crime, that you be Kwase, you training a man, and your mabasa, Shayani and Fazera and Kano, and for Yanko Kano. Aban said you're training, which is see no more, so see no, what I say, a form pink sheet, your best fellow class, and Abani, your Becca, kind, your baby box. Yatra young calling in and Patrick. Yatra Mono, Abubama Refi, Yatra Mono, more than Lantiaco Bumurum. Kako content my call much 5 deep jana here do da ya ka bana electoral commission na intermediate between political parties wa so ba ko kan 1 2 3 now obejira man friend bring boss couple for full distribution let the New Patriotic Party bring boss and you bring boss so my friend is a take of some phone na ya to we are not there we are not there dan to kwa no ko gina court to say wa win ni wachi tafuo nti na ma court to yi calculator mo kola phone ni subida Dubai circle ha Dubai marketing ni subida bo keka wonim se ye use calculator ko go to ye school tete
e ka su do
wonim de keka wi aba ka kire ye say na wo pese wachi tafuo
e da se jeni
mo do mo da me de ma no sikura mesre oba kan bia obo so oba be ma wo fefe we wie free SHS hu ne papa oba yi the chat na hwe na bo sentini ba ko mienu abesna beti obo division ngoro maka kogonte ama ni di peja na de we ja ne ma ho na last week Thursday ya na lodi na ne ma omo ba Ghana no mo ni krom de ekoso bia ne wo mo nim last week Thursday entu ne ma na omo ko eje sa na bi o fa no passport na wo be hye chaka tena ni sei oba hu nanim no waje bum Dubai na okọ na wo ba be ma e bia nko free SHS ata wo mo wieye na Ghana card nti wo be ko university no obi no a wo be sa rio no minti no akakudi dem wa na mo bon tene no ti wo mo bon
malifo ne Senegal fo bi so mo okrom ya
wo di bi ba say no
no ma tia ya pap I wo di ba ha say no
na Paul krade nkode na be say Paul tenten no so ni se godo na yi ni wo mo da fom ti Paul de oba yam no
o di ba say no na me wo ase pras ku say o mo to ba na ho na tutu ye no na me wo ase no fo o mo tutu na adano me je ayi di pa we na say organize na say we Mr. No Nonsense Man
ato no se kwa
wo no ma ase pras ho
What is
not to prepare?
4 years back, I am about 5. Name ranted, we will want to pick up let's say Kunkro, or Monkaka Sabia because on Tagana Casa. What would you? The same to Mumbai Santamai, Asantimo Bianca to me, Master Trobani, we are chairman so called for Gary, one for City, one Kataka Krafaka, one for Boab Transfer, 2 years Transabia Wushibi. So if you so to Yadia Swabon for coffee, or Transia Baba, let's refuse a group. Who is a Kikiri criminal, Abana, don't be in a Kaya politicians. So,
no one has to be so.
A bunny a back kind of Sadia about consonant said, Whiskey Bessu. See a very we don't know what do. Yam what do never be a walk around Babano, Nile City. At the channel of Pedom Cocotte, or take them for the hot train. What the baby dear some? A Santa Maya Domasi, Yomaya Maya, no Maya. But Mammy more a ma basso. You see, Yando, Saveka Kramaye. Minudia, Aba ye bet 2024. Some from an into from one. No, sir, a man ye can pay him, man. Yeah, check. And not Mr. Santas, and I give Santas. Emma, man, 24 man. My God, you will be there. I did be out, you know, baby, dear Muka. I didn't you. I am Fabica, Monarchy. Because a man will campaign this time around the man and people. I know I say, now flowing yet.
Any research fundings is here. Yeah. You see. No, I don't need to see. Any research fundings will be. I appreciate let me tell you.
Najoso.
Dr. Solomon Kwati Fukuno. The only person in Ghana. What me a Juma and then the brother everybody MP. I am mad at the brother with Good. I think say yenche ubia. Yeah, so. We are making a kind of say maybe I could be we start to educate our people. Yeah, educated by so more in Kunandium say. Yeah. So more kotua bana. Omo kotua bana 1. Yeti ballot in mama box paper mama. Omo say yisi no emo mafia bia or say a friend say paper. Yeti man on say see your number no e wo de man e bi woso. Won say Yura Baumia picture e woso. E clear ohu. Won say yisi na nsan baby amana say. Parliamentary on say number 1 e wo ho. Peace ni de na e woso. See your number no woso. People na say. Ye the money we are onko boot na ye team we no mo mpre no ho opeso di wa na akra emrama no ho kwan on to ne boase on fa ne sambo pad na de so no on fa ne kokro to ne bia mu say no team number 1 o team we are on paper ne sam kama no on fold free right and call left ne team mu no we are say bukam akoliti no pie e de akose. But me more easy for Nabaso. Who said this time? Yeah, made them to be the last time. No, in getting to say 1st January. Who don't say boom? We are now on Sabrino. And we are so much small tissue. We are to her tissue. We make to the Baba Naya September and no so and now on some be brace. And I me so my main for will to us. Yes, ballot paper. No, you enjoy number 1, number 2, number 3 or so. Enti okwa instead of number 1 no okwa check say osuru no ene da because e bi ode ma no obetimi asini trase na independent for na be abedi number 1 enti okwa yese number 1 there ballot paper ne entry 1 2 3 up to 13 no nemum osuru phone no ene eda so ho e bia issue officials ne 10 na make sure say osuru no e ba be dikai osuru asase de ma be dikai na mo ato aso se da be ya o to a o konso ombobo ma odada said the official Bobon Sabi, Nafakotum. Now, sir, you the stamp Petima Tire. Padaru by here, papa. That was mammy. Cratan at the Monos, a boot to you, a boot no. Number one, dear Ubu, dead, Chin or Son Qua, the baby or Debia, Ubu, decay. Was soon the decay. So what Dan is here, Wabada, I say, if you're son. Yeah, it was so symbol no one who team ho na wa bia paper no musi no team okokumuti no e bia biam I think say bema Robert Fefe I demonstration e kakra na me try ne pe we ni bibra na e mo demonstration because by bia do the MPP is winning and winning massively it the e bo ho the wura sports brain na say for brain na say the e na say no e na e do so last 4 years 37,000 votes in a say Ashanti region. Yet the MPP there in the room more than 30,000 in a say. Obi the MP or northern sector after vote. The vote on ya no the winning a new 30,000 no 17,000 on the MP. Or match pass or MP or parliament also on the onko no match but we are marching to our classes. It amen you know who almost say sanko for no to abamon bima enye. Yes, that is the first education. Number 2, who peers or kotoaba, making sure that your own chance was so kotoaba. So we do it. Communal labor. Making sure that thank you very much. It's a communal labor. Sure, sir. See, I call a good talk at the Farabacha. Where was say about you and a communal labor. Good. Making sure, sir, will be your own chain. Akoto sambre say wo MPP no ya do ye pa say the pakrosi koko no nya bi ni wo de fama ndi na de no nkoto aba for that chinti we make sure say one person kura entna fie abra onkoto aba wo a obo tribu poso onkoto aba no so onkoto a obi beto ama wo mo beto ama no beto fun wo ama wuntimi nkasa bia to be a MPA na onkoto aba. Okay. After the mayor answer question na the entire say a man penny for the adwuma mo ye no. That's say masi hani kurum kuma na se for the Emma they go through a lot in bringing their children. I see. So to think kora ba emma ye bre ye bi me of our say ye bre but do no etabigina emma ne so. Bema to your school fees in term. Bema bet you name a receipt in term, but the any receipt no. A man the child don't know. I'm Makai, no, no, me. Then I could say the fee. If a public child school fees, I'm more receipt, you can for Kubaji. But the other quantico. Gary out deco, or Tom Brown deco, or Seto out deco. Oh, we have life accounts money, Kakebeso Butono. A man the demon. It's a man bra bring in children and no for to say, hey, no bread do. No school no money to me, Conas or Mopamo baby begin, my fast. Oh, my pumpum CBS, I how man wouldn't because I can't go square. This square idea, Yamano Diana obedi. It's kitchen or they saw some crano at Yako school. It's the Akano, Umutim the young Quai Momuku, the Ama or the Jayas what. A mammy could it be feel like because the first name, your friend be Eddie Nobwa. But I will be back. The risk of what they do not swat. That is what I did not want to know. There were ham movie and that's what I did not want to. Mammy, no more. We are not as I mean, so dear, who better see them as well? Dabi, and I will some had a quarter be say, doom light, it Minyama and I be so can ya, and almost in United Bibia, it's in a man near just say, elections with them to be like elections. A man say, Omontraho Emma Ubi. How more cherry and sounds so much. Oh, my, and some of Hama. Who was that? My research work, Bibri. What problem this is here? But Dr. Solomon Quatin Fuku. Oh, go. Let's check it. My research work trade. Ewo, a man on motor fish. Okay. The relationship between doing so the buyer and the fish, my own business. Let me know say man on motor fish or omuji fish or no. Let me say Omoano as I invest at vessels at the core episode. fish ni bibra
sa
yes bibri invest e ma mema na omo ka kodo no e ma omo ska e tobi e no mo ko yi de bra omo e nam dum so ne buy no sa investment ni nyina to kwa ntini ma mo djuma no enye adjuma ko na ko investment omo capital ankasa so te e no mo invest so te but now no mo timi recoup bibia e koso yi so you want to tell me say sa ni ma o yesia sa ma no obema gwen say omundi party na chiana oh say this if what me ura for market enclave kwa campaign omundi they can go there no nti besre samre we
ba say NDC for man so nya kan me hu bia o
oh no don't worry about that
yeah ntade na nya fa chinchim show mo eno kwa de nya yasem
but they say no what is happening now you say
kwa ka de na
akaka krebi aka 2-3 days na ekotoaba the MPP ne Yoruba omiamo ye no edoso bebre the aka nyina ne se obi abetimi asore no wakoto aba emfa ne no bia yi ho no ina mka sika ina manya we ina mentimi asore ntem wonum sa chide ne adan kokoto mika chide di first because na adan ko no agine ho di ina metwentwen kakra me de meto last minute there be koto utu wi agina ho mensro obia ntimi ni ofoku obia ntimi ni obia so e wa ha Ghana ha obia ntimi ni obia bibia obia ntimi
de ya tete no yempese be no kure anya adwumanya asante de ya tete no
mese mendo
yempese be
forget about say the otete don't even tell anybody say we ote na the MPP for so bo am ho ye no so no wo so what the MPP for bo am ho ye the MPP for abo am ho ye what the almost abo am ho ye so don't put any fear in anybody. Don't put any fear in anybody. NDC, they can do anything. Who are they? Who are they? Is the MPP that is going to win? And what we win the piano? So what need G in our Kotoba? Who can commit me? Because one say white for why can't kiss you because we him the number our never G. I'm telling you, on authority say, as you speak now, MPP are no more 149 seats. We are moving forward. I have Bekwa could do almost 160 seats. Mark it on the wall. The list is the research work. I'm telling you. The list seat MPP Benya. The list seat MPP Benya. Our parliament. 149. That was as at last month. HB and MPP didn't become. So if you have this, what are you talking about? The MPP will win and will win and win. You can mark my word. Okay, Mati. So obi a okoto bia no every nije ene a separate so nije a wonko awuji wani eyi chi obi ka ho na mu nyina mo nko okoto aba Mati. Masaba su bia mse live for Wontumi radio 101.3 FM Kumasi 101.3 FM Takrade Western Diamond TV on your Digibox Wontumi TV also on your Digibox encoder live for so enumere Wontumi election mirror and ye deba emprempre aka 3 days aka 2 days and some hours bi ne yetoba mesrew eno me ka kire se sore ntam koto wa bantem ya no mo ebo ho na ekọ ye be kwa kredede ebo ho na ekọ na sore ntam kobo emo be 12 na what wo be wie de dada mesrew ye sore ntam koto ya bantem na ECG ma menchia me ECG for menchia mo 7 December 5 PM bi ye titi information bi ya titi information bi yisi jimbenu frencha chamo 5 PM bi and 7 December one light alive election obia beto aba ha asante meji ha ya yatin ya ka meba eti na ya ba obia beto aba tie meba meba enkoketi December ya to aba tie oswadum light asante media ka ya chia wo mo media ka kire osase e wo wura e yo penso ntia wo mo you kokoi no watranka no you obi adi wokumasi wo ti asema meka ni ye watranka the president is not happy you are fired you are fired baba sack bato wutie the president is not happy me pato tie ye wa santemam asanteman no ayo wura tie de meka no adwuma no so obi na fo obi adwuma
So you do ECG from penny for Washington region. I'm not sure they will even do that. Eya kasana your mama mo eke kan say omo kana Dr. Fokona ese e di hu bia beto ya to ba satima wo na dia sam na wo kan satima wo say ya to ba na do light
na so mu ko mu timi num light ko
say ya to ba mu timi num light say ba man kan ho asem o
mu timi num light because I tell man for di ko ma
mileage.
Thank you very much.
Say do light was satima
wo timi num light MPP Libya enko gina baby nka say any atete say we don't want to hear atete say MPP for are men enough to take control of their own situation. Simple. It is I atete say bi obi ante MPP ni bi okoto bebia no emfa na card enhye na onko to number obi mo yere ba kokoro entum firi ho so we betu a more ni betu nya MPP ni more betu that say yando aka 3 days here to aba etina party no ya rally kase wa Accra na efiada de about one thing the party ni kase rally kase wa Accra MPP ni bi anya party woni dem enye rally e woni dem said there Jesus Christ dada mo Moses time no no wa be sena ko e free Egypt aba Israel no the last day no Tomofase no obia kumobian refili na no mutuko this is the time adia betia obia wo bibia wo whiskey wo bibia kakra men papa de ni bi men papa de ni bi wo no best no ka betia ma fresh milk no yando dase omo no msa no dase yando na say na wo yando I will bra me chese wo bo wo de minia say wa santi do bia gwa no me say minia no ma soja no enye me na me do abano ya bato bia na no me ka say you see na no me ka say entokwasi a entokwa any format etia na manfo aduru say na ye bibesi na ye behuru na manfo wo ntokwa na ade ba no unim format am so me de ba wo eti say hunahunu ase bibi besi ye behunu na obi antimi hunahunu obi asante meje ha tokwa bi ensi jajaja na bi min kan tokwa sem kra so bi be scam manfo jabetu ya ba wienta me ka cha meeting so maye wo mu ntu abantam na wiem ho kono wo ma kwa dede ho I'm telling the truth doctor na wi a na scam manfo ba o mu ntu ntam a yenso ya koto abantam
me wo Hello FM ka fa station be odibem me wo Hello FM ni afre satama omko dum secondary school ya wo Islamic school ya regional minister mai ye fra me wo live on the show ni afre sa assistant regional director do sadie office akwami tuomu tu pin
say
me dance for host them dance for say light no me dum no asen when they want I was on the show
almost on my uniform you see ya kasa mo amanfo say na me kasa sa musu obi ntu abantam a yensu abetu ya abantam you know what you have done and we are saying say obi ani wo betimi aka so mo obi ntu aba asante we je o you know what asante we had there obi antimi nka so obi ntu aba obi abetu na aba yo ma me nda wase papa na me nua no mususu a wo ma kasa nyina no ya ade a asem a eto akoma so asem a eto adwen so pa no maka na abu wasem a wo kan se ema no se ne o masi age campaign na ye no ya ade a ye ani so papa hwe aya no kuro hwe woni tia se campaign kai a ebo nyum yi me se me kura ba ko a me de nam abu pranya sem ketwa ni papa ema se ne si hiew number call ma se mu kirew na se mu na wo ka no wutimi se a happy life when you feel a happy life when abrabom hwe unim se wiase ayati se wo ye oba se wo ye bema e oba na wo Ghana ma pa se ni omusi bo mo homoden se ni omusi ekwadwom ha me se position kakra me nyai manya kwanya pa ni domfo ma di nkomo emayi musia pa wo mo bo se be ya anwumre no wo mbenya sika e ya hwe wo mo omuma enya sem ketwa enti ma kwa wuye hie mu a eyade de pressure no ko babia enti asem a ekoso a Dr. Yaji Mahmudu Baumia waka che Ghana fo man adwadifo nyina no ne se wo se mai Eme ba wo ba no munti no wo ba. Wo se ema ebi wo ho a wo si otimi kobobosia no onya sika kura ntwea. Ni nyina ne se de obedie ama ne manya bia ko suku ni ade ntia. Eti ba wo miase ba wo ba no obrega na masika emadadifo se wo ye bodua se wo pamade se wo ye tire aduma biara ensuo kwa na wo ton a ba wo miase wo ye wo ba no ko ade e wo sa wo timi ton nanka na sa asem we wo ho no obi si wo ro de obabubo nkukwabuo no wo de nkukwa ketenkete aka ho a me de ayefa na de aye na abefa enti ya asem a ye nyina no gidi a ye nyama ba wo mia enu ti no mo yesa no na me nia asori kura no ebejira nyama ai wo mo ne de satu o mo so pray for me you yes to be that am be free apeso o mo ti kura akobo sili so am say na de be kura na be se mai mu wo ti ase e ba so de so mo ya de ya na positive so for status wo kana I am pa tese mo be dia dance ma wo ti ho a wo ha be you bottom sika nyina ko to collection board enti ya de ma na dia to buba na se wo hwe ma no status se wo mo kasa wo mo se kape ya ye enya fa ni ebeye no je na bua ya den ena dokoro bua ya den ena tei enchinan bua ya den dabi sasa ni ma kura bua ya den na se ye kwan ye hospitals ye schools na je saban wo ba no homode pawo wo ti ase dabi na ni ma mo ye mre wo wiase ewiase nyina ya tie no dabi na ni mo ye mre na no kura mpo in the midst of those challenges if you say ko emre bia na atwamo nipa wosika pa wodi botom o aso onya petrol plan wato wo wosika pa so ntimi to kanea ne yanso wo sika nya za wotimi to credit o enne bibi bia no wotimi to so no wodi akwa komisia no na mo hwa na mahama time no na cement ye tete series na tete series si da do say da be da sa na usi aya do say aya tete series no usi do say na da ti na unka ne kokko prices ada no anka se kofo bres na ko na say tete ni pa no na di ada no anka kofo management me I'm a businessman me cran them out China ne dollar no one masa u cran them ne ba ene ma wo de China na to spend 20 ene ma na wo cran dia ba no no ko a dollar is almost be 8 Ghana cedis na South Africa cran ne say bom si ba mi ase when the fundamentals na economy da ba fundamentals de okura no wawu no wo be dey na wa kwafe ni ba no kwa fundamentals no wawu wo bi da kuro obeda strong what you say eti dia no agina mo ye fundamentals just ni pa ni mo person wo bi ni pa ku wo fundamental owner na wawu what you say ko bi da kuro what you say asa any pa COVID ku wo mo nya sam kito ama kaze freight ana ship everybody freight what you say ama o mo increase they no mo say 60,000 no and e ko 140 ya ship no na do ship Ghana ha obi worship wa what you say ye wo play wo Ghana ha say ye ni bi eti wo mo dey ba no as a result of COVID no nipa dodo no mo ye professionals no wo ma wu mu kwa fundamentals ni mu no nipa na wu eti ba o mi kase when the fundamentals are weak it was supposed he said it he meant it but as a result of COVID anyway no how many professionals are e komudi djuma so e ma ye ni nyina na Wallace kura wu and Wallace wu say joy of all people who through COVID and na kayare be ne betimi Wallace ne friend say John enye COVID ya etimi nia ye appreciate enema Dr. Bawumia ni Nana-Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo edi go tu ya nyankwa na me na say Nana-Addo aka sembi na to obia no akuma so papai sana wo wabada ye nana sa nyame abowiye ha enya me won say covid time papa yi kasabia na Ghana yenya rehemu me the time o class yen starting di dawadawa no koma so papa o si yenni ane no yenni aduane no papa ni ye kasa ye throughout na Nigeria for ko kase mo he Ghana president no kase dani den no address ni mai what is edia ben see ya uhuru yansa see ya this sanitizer see ya this ye di biara ba wi ase Veronica Bucket me gwanam na den ye fen Veronica ya fen Beatrice what is Bucket and so abama ene obia ne di ne duma usia ndisi fo a na nya covid time no mo de 30 bags ebre na na ya ekoka 2080 record the enya papa. Nobody should listen to John Mahama. Now no other the teya. Yes, John Mahama say obi so pese okunu achante mo ready watch re. Wa wo pone ai. Ya do ya dan. Atamisi wa. What you say? Say emisata wu ami hu so obi akogem ama adade na ekum ama papa ya wuda.
Yeah, did that to pick up.
Me tibida. What you say? Nanu de ya a friend say Kradonko ekoka say wodo be kokotwa Kradonko da ba na tese wo yare it is amafu na nu die obi anu wode ne sabeka yai abatu ye kotu nyame hata suru ya Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Bawumia bibia nu wo ye right from day one wode ne ni atu ala so wode atu nyame so nyame se obiara wode ne ni beto ne so no
awurade so no ade nyina dibwa no na ewie ni ye
ye papa bi ba no Professor Asman Sapom was say ne research no Bawumia na 49 point something what you say and Mahama now I think 44 to 43 now the American let's just one of them here but the American they say unim sha ya say you are mobroni ana hu mobroni ni mobono what the family rade what you say enti Bawumia minimu ni se ukọ friend say le prosero ma akwatafo e wa Ghana hina mu petrol ene Bawumia last 2 years Bawumia di ni birthday Kumasi children's home ene obedi here wo ba yes wasa tobas ama wo mu amobrofo e wa Ghana nyina da hwa meka bibi kra ya sapon yare ye ko jewa aduwa no ante so kase wo da Bawumia se na ya sapon da ewu paso Bawumia brain is come na ya sapon atiasi eti sa papa ya ni nyina na nyame dia hye ne fridge mu a all be release no Saturday na ko si 49 so na Bawumia na konya 50.8 of 9 enu nebe kokosi Dr. Fokuo parliamentary candidate ni se benya over 160 what you say no okwato wa ba ama obia ni sro ama obia ni mahu obia ni fire mo hyehyɛ nto so na mama wo Kumasi mama wa Ashanti region eh me ma ba mato me baby ameda yeso obuasefo yesabi nkwasiafo bi si wo mu na agimi wo pa wo mu ne yebesi ani wo ho me na me ba ho
he obuase
yeso obuase ha
obuase Easter na we
me say de o mu kan ni obu me de me talk me catch wo mu me na me ba wo
obetme wu bi
me say me na me ba wo obuase ho me say me ba do tobri obuase west obuase me na me ba ho what you say me po me na me ba ho
ana mede
upe di otie ni mi abisa maso ko fidjuma what you say bisa maso ko fidjuma
onu amu de
bisa obuase fo mu kama kuma ntumu yam obi abeto na ba the kind pep adabo no num ni start kan anoma ba kokoro ye ntia no so ekunum die kasie na de ma Bawumia Ghana ha anopa woni ba bia na me wo ene enkwala wo manya free education wo ma yade papa o ma kire Dr. Educhum isia event ya Waduchum ene bosomchiwo
oseye
Waduchum enkwa nyina nante na mu ka cha wofo se free education no wo mo ye example they are benefiting family bia na twom secondary school me se me po ameti yi na se me na dia ma me se me fancy dia ma na me ko je banku na one friend banku a wo be da didi enti aduane a e wodan ne ho no yenka say best o obi anya ko be di shawama anasa pizza and fried rice that could be madam for my man kasem city madam for be friend basa po be trase to jedi apene di na debi e to mama na so ndi dibi sani oni ya chada toni o what you say eti yesremu enye de ye pe ne nsaka na mumma da che enkwala da che enchiri mada che nti ene de san hihye pa we nyina no egu ho mesi ya na ukọ KTI ne enimu se wo mu kontakọ bia no atutu asem ne ene KTI is a first class school who first struggle asana Mosaka ko hemfidia ye de egu KTI changing crofabra but me eka bibi kire me say ye wo dachi papa bi enchirima me say ma nya so mfaso a me ba benya so mfaso me nana me butia ni me wo fase na sa de wo me say me mpe na bo ho ban me me dai so bua na we to man tiansa bua na we ye beto ade papa bupra indications ami hu no ba wo me ba Mr. Who pesa bronya ya wo de ne to wo ne ma ko ba on say Saturday no eya ne ye de ye eye ko ne ade yesra mu we de ye pamochao mu ko na mu ko to ba na wo minya akonya ko SDF asore dem na wo ma ka kire me say dumienu ene ne mpa mu pepepe omunyira abepo asore
yeah no makoto
what you say omunyira abepo asore na nyame no kasa wahira memrenda no so say obia ne because obaba ko obamienu mamiensa anya free education won fa so 112 bi beto
na enna manage pa na say nurse for no ma for mo adwene sa teacher training for no am school ho no
allowance is better than
ana oma sese binim so ma seda ne oma sia dia mo say won want na koto ba en command John Dramani Mahama na la wanu onu be pe biaje na abono eti omu nyina mase
no it goes beyond
teacher training and nursing training no they are eagerly to vote for doctor in fact eno ametie no mani agye
it goes beyond the allowance
real alawa de na
no it goes beyond it the to moni agye mo no say agye na 111
okay
a create monument o future so we school na okay and agye na 111 are spread the whole country until be a call nurse no person oko eya adwuma no obenya bi akọ omo san so hu say K University hospital kakraka no no mu aban aboa omu se
800
omu bebie no be fe ni pe bebre omenya bi aye aferi hospital no be fe ni pe bebre amomonya bi aye so they are enna meba teacher training for no so hu say STEM medication na aban we ACC one day
say and this what you say
they don't need to understand. They don't need. Because they don't need to. And one day, I buy with one day 80 commission 80 schools. And the teacher near Anaza Koya Usia at the tray. When you say 8 na ye be no sabi in your robot in their culture idea. So the future looks very bright.
Okay.
And now more dear on them because ye ne kotoba say yes say mamu njira enem prempreson toaba. Enem kwa na ojira so dia kadokoro na begina so dia toaba. Ba MPP se jina ene china so ne kotoaba because so that no obenya na kese echina.
Okay.
That is why we are urging everybody say mumpie na monkotoba moda chinti and unidi na you can't talk about the future because ene no enye kura na eye na momanimu no de MPP ni ma ebro betin baako ekobre kombre no ma obro adwane betin baako onchini nyina enchewe anwe obedi kakra be enchewe no de aka ne dua. That is what we have done.
Okay.
Nana Akufo-Addo wa anche ne enchewe odua bi yuraba omi be gugu sunsu amene twa ama Jennifer mo betimi bia e be nkoma nkofo
me na say Dr. Solomon Kwate Foko me presido wa ha. Yes, presido e wa ha. Mamente nika honorable Siche Danso. Honorable Rabokode.
Me we say.
Nyameradum former regional communication director.
That's it.
So bia say yeye.
Bani bia.
Akatini yenti o kakrai.
Yeah, me that's pa. We make sure bia na madam nyina ma say. E pa ni e mo enuma party man nyina I think His Excellency the President, the chair president, na chair Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. No chair president Kanigila. I will do my passe. Maybe I do there. No man to 2 years. Okay. Said the normal car but nurse and also no. And also Dr. Kamwa something there. So bet me a create about 70,000 jobs for nurses, paramedics, no more hospitals in create jobs. I'm saying nurse problem oh and that's so say at the papa eba. Number one is to say no young problem the papa enter baby I do no idea was it as abano ayajuma and I say His Excellency TC from and I conform was also sano which is social media and I'm say conform can say and another no one in term and another was a coin in term and but me didn't say right time and I didn't money in answer so I will so at the chair say President Baha with the D hospitals and 9 in 1 day and I say I did what I say I did 4 hospitals in a day. Our baby in Asabo, no, Robonso, yes, Tradia, as I know, you know, was I could be Sakoi, at a France, so admire. When is our chance was there and one didn't you? We are West and agenda 1 or China trade. Maybe I could cut this on and no, I have ready come and will be another than the we are not could be my son contact. I will from my son contact, so I know about free crew. Yeah, I know about no about the beer on so Hunter West. I know what Hunter West. Yeah, what I said, Sunday, dear. What I said 2 years as well. Man, I made my home say, I died for BCC. Friend saying, original officer, Chivo. Almost CCC structures, baby. Now, this is a crash. I said, Casa MPP for buyer, or Maton assassinam and Crawford nominate the Nina, your workers' flats. A ban on SCC, a die, the workers no. In Makuma could be 48. Ochina, Yamia Duma will be, I was there could be flats in now. I'm a month for so so buy and Nadia or Bobby Diago. No man will be, you know, I didn't make an Amadia chair, BBI, 3 Ghana for Ning and say, yes, some Muso and Mukotumaba. Yeah, physically challenged there. One trouble man and I'm Dr. Bawumia and bit your cow. Nakupo bit your cow rough. I'm telling you this today. When I make a job, the camera comes as much because I never hear blow. So you're physically challenged. Now, me and now, Papa, obey my poor rough. No penny be back, no catch us or Bobby soon. Now, wait to make down also. The secondary school now, Oko and walk on free. We are so no. University or say can free the always is here and over apply get fund and I said get fund and I said scholarship secretary at an GMP in there and I'll apply. We say that the moment I will be very university or training college or but be a teacher institution we will have a very cold so your fiscally challenge now we are started to scholarship and then our bonus is week I will be didi to the point yes I do my let us be on senior catcher say or quota or do not be a bind the funnel or quota or become persons with disabilities to say police to say immigration to say and more than one of the police go on confer almost ICT almost computer almost AI almost more police no to say I would share the bit is CCTV cameras no do IT knowledge can say no police TV room or yajuma if say answer or because of all these people can be fixed into the military of the parliament military institutions some almost about the yajuma if you catch yourself we training more training teachers for specially special needs children I'll be training them see council of the special needs no or between and this time make up program go almost this can no more almost this can they come special needs what I say what I say you know sir you can't hear this you say so you say when na bana ye di amaye and most of kwa no mo so adwuma ya ye be pay ma mo ye mo be so so adwuma ye be pay master e wo be bia wo enya dia wo be ka say wo ti asafo ha I me copy master bi wo kwa da so ma na chema de da bi ya okay wa unya masa na ye tua wo ti ska ma no wa kire wa de wo wia ya pon na wo so watini anya baby do na asi mo ye adwuma dada na so dwetire ni ade president Manado Ashase aye man ko fuska kese enterprise fund o mo so ni bibie o mo ni mam enti wo po ho na se wo po ho ye wo pese wa ba ko ye wo ye physically challenged person as a national coordinator for persons with disabilities so me ka cho say wo choice na ye Dr. Baumia wo to fa nwa
asemaba okay
na asema beto no so enya asem ketwa beto no tese wo be kwa mu yem ene mana ye di man nyina ne betwam ko sa de na wo ho dada no kwa nipa na ye ne ya first common fund na ba na ye bi abese 10 cities a 10 cities no ne ye be 22 cities am obia ya ka no madu what I said ya ka no mafa but na de His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ne se ne de to ne mama ama wo so nya ema ye bi okay me anko fo munya freezers o mo munya sewing machines o mo munya dryers o mo munya grinding machines nyina wo ka de wo panya atama na fi yesisi wo na so akọ transfer
o nya djuma ye
nti no ne ye ho adwuma ni mese se nya kopo de adom na dum ya no me da ba yen kan che obi o ye physical challenge say anya de ye di lie anya de ye di lie o ko ye na go straight to the electoral office and obeto the amount professional treatment na wa ye dey na wa kono akwa to say they have in protocol no Jesus yes Jesus wakate obi no obekwa we dey tell you so na me so obi akọ protocol
Jesus ona Jesus so ata but that's Christ you cannot see him
so you go through the protocol but it ko na ko jo kata no say dey na me na no moche amezu mo fanti so bio abazo bo ne maja baye kwa ndo obeye wo twese sia number no paper ne so obo mo dey ahwete wo stamp ni si o say dey abubo ma wo na obo mo dey obiemu na fe fa won sani team number 1 wi a ana de kan wi a wo wie wo say team de kan aye Osono Dr. Mahmoud Baumia wo wi wadwuma team ho na kwaji parliamentary candidate in the same sense ko mamu ma ade na ya si parliament na bio ba de ko yi ne twa o de kiko mate baby o de dia o de mate it ye kiko dia na de wo se ye ne se ye bo na ma me ende by saying say you nipa ba ko e wo party ni ma wo se ne your party ni na it ni bona ba so a chief of staff chief of staff na me akosa from opare uni nyina ye mo na baso me na mase say mama the first woman chief of staff no tini hold all the staff because the chief of staff the chief of the presidential staff enipa do do nyina woni ne kuta wo mu na yente boni yente bibia basa 8 years and still counting yes or view mo ya bia to abani de ekoto yes etino ya bepo na baso ni akata so nko so anyama ye no kuta ko kase 8 years ne baso na ye nim say wade ebe chano
mati o da so pa protest wa no ne Harriet Sremate
wade so obia you count number 1 on the ballot paper first person on the ballot paper Osono Edwan Nche Osono ka ho a papa so ma Osono na to from there na Osono obema Wellington bus no ma abobo ya no the politician can say echi no what yes you ma kodua nua and so nyi ni say no na
Dr.
Osono that's it
say down so na wetin ne kano Jelly brem kakra na memfa mempe ska kakra bra kakra do be so na fi no
mempe ska aye video be very touching on my WhatsApp to mo WhatsApp number mo correct we start we say moto wo se ebe kontokwa ye koto aba ma amamu apa ko so moto wo se ebe ko wu nsiesie wo dem wo wo gale ho nyefe wo yire no ma ho nyefe wo ni yire ne ma wo
na ko kontokwa
onto asase
uni ajapade
ko kontokwa uni ajapade bi entubo so ko kontokwa ho he so ba ko a twen wo political party ni nuzu a na pa wa no modro wa na so watu Africana ha funny but is making sense ba what you say asem na o kan no me the support wo wura no ye yi na free ha sei na me no hwe da bia me kasa se akana na do 1 month ebe duru 7 December see etwam 7 December e be 7 December aka
7 December na 7 January 1 month ne
kakra sa ho kakra na o do opo ma me post bi
post be na pre
o de opa sa ho kakra na sa 1 month kakra
o proposition be na be
tie o de ho ne kakra na on fa ma me no bi ntia ba bi no nya mense mi ya na me de post ama so to no nya kudo say nipa and it's friend of propaganda o de ma ye nka opa na se ne nkoye sa say ye knasem sisi but what I say na say bia I say on kind ye ka to no so ma me che o de ba bia DC fo duru no
yeah
omo ye desperate politicians enti aye sentase abo omo sesa fam bibi obenya bia no afa bibi obenya bia no afa eti o ka asem no ko nim de o ka be me na ma me kire wade me Dr. Kwasi Chika asem bi me ro ko kakra o se ye ne ye
physically challenged disabled for no
se mo to ba na ma ye be ye mo
true
umar kuntia ya ma me wafo kunafo wo mo ma ye mere wada dem leap na dem mo so ngwa bia pagya kudu na nya 400 na 42 Ghana se na na ngwa bia mpia pagya kudu aye dem mo bosumi bia no wo se ye ntraba maw se de wa bon otiewu unim se di wo ma ye ntraba ma na sa ne mo nyina be reverse de bia me kasa
be reset
ma me kasa mu we o be reset on do mama mie no phone no kasa o reset phone no or upgrade or reset phone so all has suggest na kana numbers wo be hu o di opa ma na hwe so be hu atakwa de fo mo nyina ma gibu ma ba no hwe ye hwe so be hu owure ye me show ye call lunch ni ye me show
ma kodi takwa de 9 months wa fa man ko cho bada
wonya oba mpa cho
danse ba me ah
wo no fo
eza
franco na na
okay
what dem channels ye metwam na nkwala wo school me kabrofo bi NDC only retrogress or mine me abani abe progress or mine do mana kuja be 8 years me ma be retrogress sa na kwasa
then
the NDC for mpacho me kan heavy when the NDC for ni abre so metwa free SHS do you know why on say school be mo ni abie Maybe I'm a cassa now. You come and some contact me opportunity. Now, make us another doctor about me and to see a bar. Mr. Doctor say, go be on family to be as a training or don't school, but that's school now. It is your mama and must select 500 me training or me jaw. I must say, be in my year this 500. To me by the time I train you, I'm from Yabu. So, meant to be any young level headed, we are on near Minepa. At least they can be here. I said, Benty, a castle better rather than some other for council or money day or Monte. It's a problem. No feeling and say, see a man calamity. No money be a moment, Maya. And this year, Pobiam Nako Munya. Your Pobiam Nako dear woman, your Pobiam Nako Molemola, Jumunya, because some quality now could score more money a day at a be. Mammy be now on Sano Yadrian Coco Ruby was what to walk. Maybe Mammy and some Nako free SHS. What was what trauma is?
I'm a movie.
Now, one Casawa and this me said your mamma and monk who could only be coming to quite Janine. You could you baby. My day are top on one day. I mean, now one Casadani everywhere could be so baby. Honorable who say a policy full policy time no the other policy on one Casadiabacas won't mean to them. Now, only Lodi than Lodina Daho, then Yan so comment at 24 hours. Now, DKB.
Now, yes, so mobile,
never told you, who DKB. Oh, my boy, Huka. Akduako University. Would you see a fair concept? Say, be a old Jimmy Mobiasri. Would the audience obey Jimmy Mobiasri? Was my coffer separate of fracture, Mamma, Coffers, I won't have that Machituna, Iskaba. One another bank walk with Iska at the buy. Was he a better one? And I don't know only a premier and Cabero one. Who do a premier and Cabero? Your mamma, almost as a general, and I'm making who could see same on this policy to buy. Apart from Sasami or mechanical cancellation of free SHS, acquire your Mbeki Castle, you did 260, Sicom, the interchange Baco, a Kumdipo over 300. You did the same scanners interchange for. Yes, our policies when and you think that Ghana for said when you had done it. Obi to mantamo na kwan wonyini na mifra de be 40 years 50 years wo say ye de betumi agu na kwan so da what right kwan fa bi nyu na kwan so da ye de mfidia ba ba yiyim abo agu na kwan so anso ha ye se akwa de den kurase nkuro nketuwam ye fra bi drip machine ye mfa nyu kwan so nemu trouble wo bi ti atwa na board ya wotimi dia ba kuru kase ma ba beton wo nyamfaso no na wo dan a wato ne koko wasato cement odi si dan wo wia wotimi anya bia bo akonhoma wotimi anya bia wotimi asidan na aka na aka kire se dollar ye abraso fa free 1 cedi call 4 cedi 80 pesos 4 cedi 80 pesos esu da ho kwa IMF ya kwa IMF but ye fa ni peduma when see fathers for 12,000 over 3 months ago ya fa security 11,000 security for over 15,000 it is MPP ni trust no nya ko no kase ye buy am employment to the youth over 2.something million na so ni bibia aka na ya ndisi ni wo bon na wie wutie me ba ko be ye rough wo di block wo ba bi page na ni masoma me kan yansa form wo he yansa ni temeti microphone chi kasa wo di bibia aka tie na betie bi abu se me so na me kwa me dia bi jaw so mo hu say
we don't call into the mamen komra
come the way see wo mo hu see abewura send this for nyitwem na mo t-shirt on cap na ko agibi ahye tie wo dia ne Dr. Bawumia
okay mati
wo dia ne so bebo bi
na obo aso me da seteni
kuran me busa banchire gari bia ye baba fun ne namfie ye kanya nsasam ye kansa pam metie akura waso abrawa ye bachi ne na
se okujota ba kwa ro ye dey
wo kisi glass wo ye te krom ofa wo ye te krom wo free north town aba ekwatoma wo de
okisi glass
ye ho ye kwanma wayi mponua akogira nana no ahwia ha esremu ara wo kisi glass wo na ba kire ye sade wo na ba kire sade asantema ye
Jennifer ofori wa kwani ya deputy national communication transma me ba me nyu ye Grace Gift Aba Center nana na tsai
onyankopon dom ye pa
ye do ba dia se
ya santo wu ye nam ka se no anu no se ebi ohu bibiri ababe
nana bibiri yo
ne se
onyambre
na eseso obi atu aba
so obi atu aba
eseso obi atu aba
se na wo beto de
me kura me de me duru efie ni mfimfin nam ka se na ne yeto nkam de kutim so
da bi memenda
sa
memenda no pa
memene de memena de
memenda ya
ayo
ya wo fie memene